Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we're going to take a look at 99 Faucet. This faucet is an unlimited quick claim faucet like crypto earns. Get started by signing in with your Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard on the left. Here you can surf ads or do short links. Let's click Faucet for now. Now let's choose the coin of your choice. I'm going with Taraxa. Once you've selected your coin, solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen and click Claim. Great, that's it, you're done. Now let's go back to Faucet Pay to make sure we've been paid. Fantastic. As you can see, the payment went straight to my account. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.